Pulse. Tread is evenly worn. Tread depth should be at least 2/32 of an inch. No tread separation. No dual touching. Nothing between them. Valve stem. Not broken, no cracks, no air leaks. Rims. No cracks, no welding repairs, no dents or damage to the flange, no cracks or distortion around bolt holes. Lug nuts. No cracks, no distortion. Not loose, no shiny threads or rust trails. Secure. Axle seal inside. No oil leaks. Mud flaps. Not torn, not worn, not missing. Securely mounted. No loose or missing bolts and nuts. Must hang down at least to the center of axle. Trailer frame and cross members. Not cracked, not broken, not bent. No loose or missing bolts, nuts, or rivets. Secure. Trailer floor. No holes, no damage, secure. Landing gear. Fully raised. No missing parts, secure. Support frame and arms. Not cracked, no broken welds. No loose or missing bolts and nuts. Secure. Landing pad, not cracked, not broken, not torn off, no missing pins. Crank handle, secure. Torque rod, not cracked, broken, or bent. No loose or missing bolts, nuts, or mounting parts, secure. Bushings, not missing or damaged. Hub. Oil level full, no leaks. Axle seal, inside, no oil leaks. ABS light, I'll go check. ABS light turns on and off, ABS works. Lights, reflector and reflective tape. Clean, not broken, not missing, secure. Rear door, lock position, secure. Handle, latch, not cracked, not broken, no loose, no missing bolts, nuts, secure. Side door. Lock position, secure. Handle, hinges, latch and step. Not cracked, not broken, no loose, no missing bolts, nuts, secure.